What's going on, guys? Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're going to be doing another episode for you guys. Day in the life of Wrench. On this cold and windy day, we're going to be showing you guys around some of the work that we do, some of the stuff carried on, what the boys are getting up to inside. And yeah, then we'll be following this through and going to a private meet later on tonight and showing you a couple of cars in there. We'll also be doing a review on the Aventador SV Roadster that we've just completed, twin turbo. So yeah, stay tuned, a lot of stuff coming in. So guys, straight away, we've got a lovely Evo that's been fully resprayed last summer. It's had a bump in the back now, so it's come in for a new rear bumper and a respray, gonna be blended in the quarters, so getting that ready. We've got another write-off M6 here, that's going straight to the scrapyard, that is not fixable. Over here we've got another M5 which is going through insurance, so we do a lot of body work here, a lot of insurance work. So we've got a body shop inside as well as all the mechanics and the performance and the modifications, vehicle wraps, sound systems, interiors, window tints, you name it, all in one place. Behind me we've got Urban Range Rover which has been wrapped and he's actually had a side impact, so it's gone through insurance. We've just re-wrapped the side and waiting for the customer to collect that. We've got X6 there all the way from Qatar, had a lot of work done, but that's an in-house vehicle. 1 of 10, M5, special color. Again, front end getting repaired. It's also got upgraded hybrid turbos. We're going to be tuning that, dialing it in and getting that ready for the customer. You've got a Supra here, new one all the way from Kuwait. It's had a lot of work done. So yeah, possibly later on we could show you some sound clips. Some noises. As we go through, we might as well. You guys want to hear the SVR? Let me just start it up for you. Alright guys, hope you guys liked that. That was a stage 2 SVR sound check plus cold start. Moving along, we'll give you a few more tasters, maybe start up the i8 down there as well so you guys can hear the electric. I'm only messing. Alright guys, we've got a lovely M2 here. It's in for a full stage 2 package, stage 2 plus should I say. It's also going to be getting a crank hub fix. So yeah, stay tuned, going to be getting that into the workshop over the weekend. Ollie, come closer. Ollie, go back. So we've got another special one here, lads, all the way from ES Motors. Our good friends at ES Motors, they've dropped this one off. It's going to be getting a full respray as well as all the carbon sanded down and re-lacquered and get it ready for the showroom. So yeah, that's a special one coming along. Stay tuned. We've got another Jaguar SVR over here, which has also got a lot of tuning done, a lot of modifications. Yeah, I might just show you a sound check on it. Let me see if I got a key. Alright guys, so right behind me we've got BMW's flagship supercar, BMW Supra. No, I'm joking guys, BMW i8. That's actually come in for full alloy wheels, refurb, powder coated, diamond cut. So that's just finished, just waiting for the customer to collect it. Yeah, it's starting to snow, so let's get inside. Alright, you've got to be quick on this one because we've got a very rare species inside and I ain't talking about my fish. Let's go. So behind me guys, we've got a lovely RS3 which has been wrapped in full Avery wet satin black. It's also had major engine work done to it now. We've got a fully built block in it. This thing is ready for the road, something that UK has not seen before. We're going for between 1100 to 1300 brake horsepower on this one. So starting from end of March to April when the race season starts, you're going to be seeing this one on the track. But if you do see it on the road, stay away from it. The number plate is free smoke, so I'm sure you guys don't want any of that. So when you see that number plate, stay back. As you all know, we've been doing the B58 engine for the longest time. First one ever to be unlocked in the UK was done here inside Wrench Studios. And right behind me, we've got a very special, another special build. This one is now 4-wheel drive, first one in the UK. So it's going to be going Santa Pod beginning of next month. So stay tuned to see what this monster does. Let's take a quick look at the body shop, guys, what's going on this week. So we've got a 6 Series here for a front end respray. as well as all the carbon parts on it. So the front splitter, the canards, the side skirts, diffuser, splitter, wing mirrors, everything's been taken off. It's all going to be getting sanded down, re-lacquered. The front bumper's getting a respray. So yeah, got that going on. Right behind me, we've got a GLS 63, which has just come off the ramp on the mechanic side. It's got stage 2 done to it, so downpipes and a remap, so we can do a sound check on that. And whoa, we've got actually a guest in there already, all the way from Asia. I don't know if you lot know him, but he goes by the name of Hasbullah. What a legend. Yeah, so he's ready. I think he's ready for the sound check. He's waiting. We all know he loves Mercedes. So GLS 63, he couldn't miss it. So I'm just gonna turn it on for you guys, show you guys what it's about. We've got a lovely BMW E30 behind me. Well, it's not lovely at the moment, but the plans we've got for it are insane. We've just been finished taking all the rust off it, changing all the jacking points, correcting all the doors, sanding it right down, welding everything up. The inside's been done, the engine bays are getting worked on, and next is going to be going into the body shop, getting full primer and lovely, lovely, insane color. All right guys, above me we've got a C63 Stage 2, 2018. It's had a lot of work done. It's got a full exhaust system, it's got custom intakes, it's got blow-off valves, it's got the whole shebang. So I'm gonna get it down, show you guys what it's about. It's running roughly about 640, 650 horsepower at the moment. Yeah, you're also gonna be seeing this one on the racetracks. And to top it off, it's a convertible. Got a lovely 928 Porsche turbo. Just been finished off the dyno, ready for the customer to collect. Finished in this lovely custom one-of-one color with matching green interior. Go wild on it.